What is going on, guys? We are in beautiful Miami, Florida for the grand opening of my boys Wheels Boutique's newest location. You'll recognize this beautiful Chiron from the review I did a couple of months ago. They're setting up the shop right now. We're about to head to a car show to meet up with some familiar YouTuber friends like Brooks from Drag Times. We're taking the Dawn to the show. Before we head out, look at this beautiful Pagani Huayra, and I love the fact that they collaborated with Alex Monopoly for that badass paint job on the front of their shop. Now, I was gonna wait till later to do a walkthrough of the shop, but I figured it's gonna get crazy, the crowds are gonna be everywhere, so we're gonna do a quick little tour before the meet actually starts of Wheels Boutique's new facility inside the actual shop. We've got this gorgeous 600LT Spider that I believe has been wrapped in satin PPF. That satin light blue looks absolutely incredible. A GT2 RS up on the lip. These guys are always working on the craziest builds, one of which I'm gonna show you later on in this video. It's a 600LT with 865 horsepower to the wheels. One of the craziest cars in the shop, well, easily the craziest car right now, is this Jaguar XJ220. Funny enough, I was actually at the RM auction when this car was bought over the phone, and I didn't realize my friend is the one who bought it. And he said, once it's all fixed up, I can take it out for a little review. I am so pumped. Beautiful Porsche Turbo up here, old Mercedes. Gorgeous Z8 and a Murcielago. I've just been given the keys to the Rolls-Royce Dawn, so it's time to head out now to Supercar Saturday, see what kind of cars we can find. This interior is insane. In typical Miami fashion, it started pouring rain, so probably not gonna put the top down on the Dawn, but man, would this be a sick everyday driver. I love the Dawn so much. I think the last time I was in this car was actually at a half-mile event. They ran this thing in the half-mile on aftermarket, huge, beautiful Anarchy wheels. And just like that, it has stopped raining. We just showed up a little late to Supercar Saturday because we got lost, but we were in the Dawn, so we arrived late and in style. We are headed to Wheels Boutique right now in a convoy of cars. Check out this beautiful GT2 RS. We got an awesome 600LT. All right, time to go. So the real reason we brought the Dawn is so we could drop the top and get some sick rolling shots out the back. Franco's getting some fire. Alright guys, so I just showed back up to Wheels Boutique, a bunch of awesome people here, and check this out, Jeremy, an awesome subscriber, found out I was coming to Miami, and then what, you spent like the whole night drawing this drawing of my 600LT. Dude, thank you so much. I love stuff like this. And it is downpouring. All right, it is pouring rain outside, so we've seeked shelter inside. Look who we got here.
What's up, vehicle version fans?
We got Jimbo behind the camera. Brooks from Drag Times.
What's going on?
We got Ben, Wheels Boutique. Dude, the showroom is awesome.
Thank you,
This event is freaking awesome. All right, so the big news is not only is this the grand opening of the new Wheels Boutique facility, you guys also have a new YouTube channel coming out. They've been talking about this for so long, and the reason I'm so pumped is they make some of the coolest builds in the world. They make some of the fastest cars in the world. I'm so jealous. So last night, I'll cut to this footage later.
Oh, yeah.
I went for a ride and raced against their 865 wheel horsepower 600LT, and yeah, let's just say it was pretty freaking nuts. So they've got a YouTube channel that just dropped. I got a link in the description below, so make sure to follow them. So they've got some of the craziest stuff in the world, and I don't know what Randy's doing over there. All right, let's tour the shop and go see what cool cars we can find. All right, the rain has finally started to let up, so people are going outside, and I want to give a little tour of all the cool cars in the parking lot. This 812 Superfast is tuned and has a really sick Novitec body kit, but the owner of this car actually owns that insane 600LT that I went for a ride in last night. It's got upgraded stage 2 pure turbos, downpipes, and exhaust, as well as a tune, making 865 horsepower to the wheels. And honestly, Until riding in that car, I wasn't sure if I wanted to modify the McLaren, but the sound it made, the savageness of the shifts, and just how fast it was, and look what it does to a stock 720S. The 720S is one of the fastest cars in the world from a roll, especially on the highway at higher speeds, and the fact that this car literally puts multiple cars, if not bus lengths, on it is unbelievable. So we're gonna cut to the footage from last night. Hope you enjoy it. Check this out, guys. Just finished dinner in Miami. We got a 720S, another 720S, 720S Spider, 665LT, and an 865 wheel horsepower 600LT Spider. Pure Stage 2 upgraded turbos, downpipes tuned. Curious to see, is this gonna be faster than the 720S? I imagine so. I gotta say, I've never seen an all-white Ford GT before, but this looks absolutely badass. You probably can't hear me because the music is crazy right now. I love the Stormtrooper little guy in the window. Hopped inside to cool down for a second. Check out how cool the Wheels Boutique showroom is. So they've got their shop right there where they're working on all the cars. And if you're a client, you can come, sit down, chill on the couch, watch them work. This place actually feels like a museum in here. We've got all the beautiful HRE and Anarchy wheels. And then of course, this is where all the magic happens. I need to review that XJ220 so badly. Oh, it looks like they popped the engine cover on it. That is wild. Randy, what are we doing? Where are we running to?
We're running to we're running to the Pagani.
Apparently, you said it's decatted?
Yeah, you ready to go?
I am so ready. Let's hear this thing.
So ready to go. There you go.
Woo. Look at the interior of this beautiful Wyra. All red, carbon fiber. It's got the Tempesta package, so that beautiful updated front bumper, which I love. And apparently, this thing sounds pretty nuts. So we're gonna need to fire it up and listen to that V12.
So we're just gonna start it, but should we just leave?
We just go? We'll just take it? They won't notice. All right, okay, cool. And this vlog became stealing a Pagani Wyra. See you guys later.
See ya.
I'm done with YouTube.
So here we go.
I mean, if you got a Pagani, Parker, you have
You don't need to do YouTube anymore if you got a Pagani, so.
Look at it. First of all, look at this jewels.
I know,
It's just
it's unbelievable.
Look at it. I mean, just the key. You ready?
Fired up. All right, I'm gonna have to get the rev from the outside.
No, from the inside first.
All right, all right. Oh my, oh my God. I have never heard a Wyra sound like that. I'm gonna have to get this from the outside. No cats. Oh my God. All right, that sounds absolutely ridiculous. That's too sick.
That is beautiful.
All right, you taking off?
Yeah, see you, man.
All right, see you, dude. All right, we've moved on to the Chiron now.
But the smell in this car is so rich.
It does smell rich in
You know
here.
what I mean?
I know what you mean.
And I know it's a very expensive car, but not every car smells this way.
No, it's amazing.
It just, yeah. I don't even know how to start this thing.
So this is the Bugatti that I actually got to review a couple months ago. And now Savage Garage is firing it up and revving it, and then I guess we're taking this one too.
This is Ben's car. This is a phenomenal
It's
car.
freaking so cool.
Yeah, and of course, it's a Bugatti, so every idiot light's on.
Is it really?
Check right front tension there. Engine light. Now, it's just the normal.
It's just going through its little sequence.
Every car has TPMS issues.
Yeah?
Every car. So.
All right, money is no object. What car are you guys taking? That white Chiron or the all-carbon Pagani Huayra? Listen to the 812 revving it up. Everyone's running for it. Oh my God! It's so loud! Jesus! All right, we got more cars revving.
That's a full tank.
What exhaust is that?
Soul performance.
That sounds nuts. Hell yeah, dude. Holy crap. Are we going for a ride in this thing? All right, I'm so down. Guys, so this is 1K Motorsports 720S. I've been told it is the fastest stock turbo 720S on the planet, making 832 horsepower to the wheels. So we're gonna go for a ride and see what this thing is like. Take it easy, guys. What's going on, man?
How are you, man? How you doing?
So 732 horsepower to the wheels, or 832, sorry. That is ridiculous. And all you've got. So what all is done to this thing?
So this car has a full titanium rift exhaust.
Yeah.
So X pipe and down pipes. Down pipes have cats pulled out, and then just a 1K Motorsports ECU tune.
Hell yeah.
So it's
Dude,
pretty
those
simple.
are impressive numbers.
Pretty
Jeez.
simple, nothing too crazy. We'll bring it back around here, and it's an awesome car.
Yeah.
It's holding up great. I could definitely notice a huge difference compared to stock. It's not even the same car. So just need to find someone fast enough to race me. So,
Dude, I'm excited. We might have some contenders today.
Oh yeah.
So apparently we're going to go pick up the 600LT with the 865 wheel horsepower because the owner of that Ferrari wants to race this car so bad. I've kind of got my money on the 720,
yeah.
but we'll see. For reference, that is the fastest 812 Superfast in the world, making 720 horsepower at the wheels. That thing pulls hard and sounds incredible, but this is a beast. So we just had a little race action of a stock 720S versus the modified exhaust and tuned 812 Superfast. Unfortunately, the first couple set of races that we got in the white heavily modified 720S, we didn't leave at the same time as the 812. We kept kind of going at different times. 720S definitely slightly faster than the 812 Superfast, and then the tuned one definitely walks it. But he's going to get a 600LT right now, and it'll be interesting to see 865 wheel horsepower 600LT versus 832 wheel horsepower 720S. All these McLarens next to each other look so cool. I am in love with the 675LT. I think it's one of the best looking front ends of any car McLaren has ever done. And then of course, those beautiful fender vents. Here we go, here comes the 600LT. The exhaust on that thing sounds so damn good. Makes me want to put an exhaust on my car so bad. This car with the window down sounds so good. Oh my God, I need an exhaust.
Get it! Get it! 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Yeah, 720 jumped a little. Oh wow. Walk right.
Well guys, that was absolutely ridiculous. I am in love with this modified 600LT. Special thanks to Mostra Toys on Instagram. This is his car. He's an absolute beast of a driver. He's the one who had the world record 8.9 second 720S. And now they've built this thing, and it definitely makes me wanna modify the crap out of my car. That exhaust is unbelievable. The upgraded turbos and the tune. That's gotta be one of the fastest cars I have ever been in my entire life. Considering the fact that it left a stock 720 at nighttime, left for dead, and pretty easily walked past an 832 wheel horsepower tune and full exhaust 720S. That is unfreaking believable. For those curious, Dyno Spectrum did the tuning on this car. Really, really impressive work. Wheels Boutique did a lot of the work. Pure turbos, IPE exhaust. Oh, I need one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Special thanks to Wheels Boutique for having me out in Florida. I had an absolute blast. Look forward to seeing you next video.